Hi everyone, so for today's Finnish lesson, oh my hair's right away going in my mouth. I'm in Holyrood Park here in Edinburgh and I just wanted to teach you the word of the week, which is Tulivuori. So before we dive into that word a little bit more, I just want to give a huge thank you to the lovely users who during the past few weeks have given me a super thanks. So honestly, it's so generous of you guys to even consider supporting my channel like that, and the messages you guys leave is so heartwarming and touching, and I honestly just want you guys to know that it's really genuinely appreciated so much, and I really hope that I can continue making good videos for you guys, and you guys will continue to support me and my channel, so thank you a lot. So yeah, this week's video is Tulivuori. So why I'm squatting over here in Holyrood Park is because back there is Arthur's Seat, which is an extinct volcano. Eli tuolla mun takana on Arthur's Seat. I don't know if there's a Finnish translation for that. Arthur's Seat on Tulivuori. Tulivuori means volcano in Finnish. So if we break down that word, tuli means fire, tuli, and vuori means mountain. Vuori, mountain, vuori. So put them together, Tulivuori means fire mountain, which is volcano. Cool, right? It kind of describes what a volcano is. It's a fire mountain, therefore in Finnish, Tulivuori, Tulivuori. Tulivuori, Tulivuori. Laittakaa mulle kommenttia, mikä tulivuori on teidän kielessä. Eli onko se myös Fire Mountain vai onko se joku muu, ehkä closer to volcano. Eli joo, jättäkää kommenttia. Mut nyt tuot tulee lisää ihmisiä, niin joo, mä nyt häippäsen tästä tosi nopeasti. Eli joo, nähdään ensi videossa. Moikka!